Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a working door. So how this is going to work is you kind of press a button like E and your door will open. And yeah, let me get right into this. So first I'm going to make my door. So I'm going to insert a part, kind of make it how a door might would be sized, kind of like this. Make it a little bit taller, like that, like this. That's a little fat. Make it like that. And this is going to be my door, so I'm going to rename it door, door, like that. And I'm also going to insert another part into the workspace. And I'm going to put it right next to my door, like this. Kind of make it a smaller part, kind of like this. And I'm going to name this part that I just created to hinge. So what we want to do with these two parts is create a weld constraint under the door and set the part 0 by clicking part 0 over here and clicking on the door, clicking part 1 to this, and then clicking the hinge. So what this does is it welds them together so that so when we do this, the door is going to revolve around the hinge. So also with this, we want to make sure that our door is not anchored, but our hinge is anchored. So next I'm going to insert some walls around, kind of like this, kind of show when it does open how it looks around like walls and stuff. Copy this, put this over here, and I'm actually going to color my door stuff a little bit differently. Make it like a brown, so it kind of stands out. Also, if you do want to put anything else on your door, make sure you're doing the same way I welded these two together, and make sure you're not um, anchoring the part that you do put on your door. Alright, next step, I'm going to insert a proximity prompt into the door, and I'm going to begin scripting. So I'm going to insert a script into my door also. So local tween service, it's going to be equal to game get service tween service. Local hinge is going to be equal to game.workspace.hinge. And we're going to set our start C-frame to local start C-frame. So there's going to be the start C-frame of our hinge. So it's going to be hinge.cframe. By default, I'm going to set open equal to false, local debounce equal to false, and local open time. You can kind of set this to what you want, but this is how long it'll take the door to open or close, both. I'm going to set this to 1.5 for now. And next I'm going to set the local info. So there's going to be our tween info. So tween info.new, and I'm just going to put open time. You can put other stuff here like easing style and easing direction, stuff like that. But I'm just going to put info for now, but you can customize the tween info if you would like. Next, I'm going to create the tweens. So local open tween is going to be equal to tween service create. We're going to use our hinge. And next, we're going to set our info here. And now we want to set our C-frame equal to our start C-frame multiplied by C-frame dot angles 0 math.rad 90 and then 0. Make sure you're getting all these parentheses right and in the right order. Also, this is an asterisk. Some people don't know what this is. It's if you do Shift 8, this is what this is right here. So local close tween equals tween service create hinge info. And we're going to set our C-frame equal back to our start C-frame. So it's going to just go back to what the original looks like. And next we want to do this whenever our proximity prompt gets fired. So script.parent.proximity prompt dot triggered connect function. If not debounce, then we want to do this. So our debounce is going to be set back to true. And next we want to do is if not open, then we want to open it. So open tween play. We want to set open equal to true. I'm actually going to put an else statement here. So close tween play and set open equal to false. So basically what will happen is if it is open, it's going to set it to close, and if it's closed, it's going to set it to open, basically what this does. And after this, we want to set task.wait, open time, and do debounce equals false. And this should be all it is. Actually, wait, I forgot to anchor my walls. Make sure your walls are anchored around it if you are testing with it. And yeah, I'm gonna go and test it. I open up my door, boom, there we go. It opens just like that. Pretty simple. And you can't spam it, that's what the debounce is for. And yeah. Also, if you want to customize this a little bit, how far the door opens, this is what this number kind of is. So if I set this to like a number that's smaller, it's going to not open as far. So if I set it to 70 and then I test it out, then it's not going to open as far. If I set it to like a higher number, like 130, how about 110? If I set it to 110, it's going to open up a decent amount like that. But also, if you set the number negative, it's going to open up towards you. So if I set it's like -90, the negative will make it open up towards you, or whatever way, opposite way that it was before. And yeah, so you do that, it closes, walk through it, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this actually helped out a little bit. Yeah, here's a script here if you didn't see it before, and yeah, peace out.